Hi, I'm Justin Marks, a Senior Program Manager on the Visual Studio Cloud Services team. When we talk to customers about process customization, the most common ask we hear is something like, why can't I add a due date field to the Agile bug? This is an important scenario for large organizations wanting to manage a custom process, and it's equally important for teams of all sizes wanting flexibility to add a few extra fields to track additional metadata about their work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fields to your work item types in Visual Studio Online. The first step is to create an inherited process which enables you to use our Agile, Scrum, and CMMI processes as a base, and augment them with your own customizations. Once the inherited process is in place, I'll add a couple custom fields to an existing work item type. Finally, I'll show you how to administer which users can make changes to your process. The first change you'll notice is that the work item form looks quite different. The new work item form brings a redesigned look and feel to work items, making it feel fresh and modern. We've reduced Chrome to ease readability, introduced color to help build a visual language, and implemented a responsive design so that the form looks great even when there's limited space. Core experiences like history, links, and attachments have a consistent location on the form and are now full-page views. This is just the start, and we plan on using this as a platform to continue delivering additional value. Right from the work item form, you can see there's an option to customize, but it's disabled because you haven't created an inherited process yet. Creating an inherited process is the first step towards enabling customization. From the collection level admin site, there's a process page. You can create a new inherited process from any of the out-of-the-box processes from the right-click context menu. This action opens a wizard where you can provide a name and an optional description for the new inherited process. Once the process is created, you can create new projects or migrate existing projects. Once a project is migrated, all the customizations in the inherited process will be seen in the project immediately. Now that we've created our inherited process, let's customize it by adding a few fields to the work item. We've provided the beginnings of a full process editor as part of the admin site. The process editor allows you to see all the fields that make up each work item type and how these fields are laid out on the work item form. You can easily add a field from the toolbar menu. The due date field is already used by other work item types. Adding it to the bug is as simple as selecting it from the dropdown. You can see that the field has been added to the status section. Adding a custom field is just as easy. From the Add a Field dialog, I can create a new field called RCA to track the root cause analysis of the bug. Optionally, I can specify how the field should be shown on the form, in which group it appears, and give it a custom label. I can also choose to make the field required and give it a default value. The field appears on the form where I expect it to, and that can be confirmed by looking at the work item form as well and seeing that both the due date field and the root cause analysis field are on the form. These fields are no different from any other field. You can query for it, use it as a pivot in charts, and set alerts off of it. Most organizations will want to lock down who can make changes to the process. Each process is a secureable unit and has individual permissions for creating, editing, and deleting the process. Team project collection administrators and the creator of the process have the permissions to grant additional users and groups access to make process modifications. What I just demoed is the first piece of our overall process customization roadmap. We'll be delivering additional customizations over the coming sprints, including pick lists, custom states, and custom work item types. Check out the Visual Studio ALM blog to see me talk more about our overall roadmap. Thank you for watching.